Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now, through this video, I'm going to start one of the most important concepts from financial accounting. The name of that topic is qualitative characteristics of accounting information. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, when we read up something about the qualitative characteristics of accounting information, first you should know that characteristics are also known as features or attributes, and those qualities are must for showing any kind of accounting information. And those qualitative characteristics involves first reliability. It means the information which you are showing through accounting must comes from a reliable source, and that reliable source must be verified. And for verification of reliable source, a source document is required. It means verification of any accounting event must be supported by source document. Second pillar which provides reliability to your accounting information is free from bias. It means the accounting information which you are providing must be free from any kind of favor. It means we are not going to give any favor to any of its user. Like if owner want to avail the loan, and for availing that loan he need higher profit, and for that purpose he wants to reduce the expenses. Such kind of practices are not done in accounting. And third pillar which provides reliability is free from error. It means the information which you provide through accounting should be free from any type of error. It means, please keep this thing in your mind, it means that error can be of clerical or arithmetical nature. We must avoid or try to minimize those errors while representing accounting information. Now, after knowing first feature, second feature of accounting is relevance. It means the information which you are providing or showing through accounting that must be relevant to its user. Relevancy depends on the nature of decision which user wants to take. If that information is helpful for him for taking that decision, then he can use that accounting information and we will show that information. But if that information is not useful in making any decision, then we must avoid it. Now next, understandability. Here it means the present in a manner that user can easily understood. It means we must represent accounting information in a manner so it is understandable to each and every individual. There, with the help of which that information they can take decisions. Once you know the information provided to you in a systematic manner and which is universally understandable, then it is easier for user to compare the data. So next feature for accounting is comparability. Comparability comes from understandability. If data is understandable, then user can compare information. So finally, the last feature of qualitative nature for accounting is comparability. Here, user should be able to compare the accounting information. It means with the help of information given to you in an understandable format, with the help of such information, you can make comparison. And that comparison can only be derived. The information which is given to you is of consistent nature. It means if the information which is given to you is not consistent, then comparison can't be made. And with the help of consistent data, we can make comparison easily if that information is understandable to its user. Now, once information is understandable, consistent, then comparison can be made. And we can make comparison in two manners. First, intra-firm comparison, in which we make comparison within the firm with current year and previous year. Whereas other type of comparison is inter-firm, in which we make current year's comparison for one firm with the current year's comparison of some other firms. Such kind of comparison can also be done if there is understandability and comparability. Now, with the help of this 4 feature, we can drive 2 additional features of qualitative nature for accounting. Those 2 features are: first, verifiability object. It means all the business transaction must be supported by verifiable object. That object is in form of voucher or source document. And second feature which we can drive with the help of this 4 feature is consistency. It means accounting information must be prepared in a consistent manner. I hope that is clear. Now, thank you. Goodbye.